Are 4-lug to 5-lug with spacer safe?
If you're a BMW enthusiast, you probably already know that swapping out your wheels can give your ride a whole new vibe, both in looks and performance. One popular mode is converting from a 4-lug pattern to a 5-lug pattern, and it's catching on fast. Today we're diving into why this conversion is a game changer, especially when you pair it with BONOSS with spacers, and which BMW models are most often in the spotlight for this upgrade. What's the pros of installing 4-lug to 5-lug conversion wheel adapters? Why the range of wheels? For owners of old BMW 3 Series, choosing a 4-hub to 5-hub wheel adapters is a necessary, especially when they need to replace aftermarket wheels, as most of today's cool performance wheels are designed for a 5-hub. By converting your BMW, you're opening up a world of wheel options and weren't originally available. Better brake clearance. 4-lug to 5-lug wheel adapters often allows you to fit larger, more efficient brakes. If you are planning to upgrade your brakes, this conversion is a must. Improved handling. Increasing your vehicle's track width can boost cornering grip and overall stability. Whether you are on the track or just taking a speedy drive, this mode can make a noticeable difference in how your BMW handles.
When it comes to the safest 4-lug to 5-lug wheel adapters, always choose the genuine brand set. Certainly, reputable manufacturers make nice conversion with spacers. A genuine brand becomes popular because it was developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and factories not only use processes that have been proven to be safe. The safest 4-lug to 5-lug wheel adapters go through many safety tests before leaving factory, such as impact stress, tensile strength, and hardness. That's all for today's video. If you need this 4-lug to 5-lug conversion wheel adapters, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye-bye.